traditional Jimma Phugdi festival in Kagal, the enthusiastic participation of hundreds of women organized by Raja Vikram Singh Ghadge Foundation and Jijamata Jijau Mahila Samiti. A traditional folk art competition, Jimma Phugdi, was organized at Kagal by Raja Vikram Singh Ghadge Foundation and Rajmata Jijau Mahila Samiti Kagal. In this, competitions were held in the categories of Jimma, Ukhane, Oya, traditional costumes, etc. And more than 1 lakh prizes were given to the participating women on this occasion. The program was inaugurated by Mrs. Suhasini Devi Vikram Singh Ghadge, President of Chhatrapati Shahu Cooperative Sugar Factory. Speaking on the occasion, BJP District President Samarjit Singh Ghadge said, "This program has been well organized in order to not to forget the traditional culture of Kagal Taluka. Even before Navratri, we are seeing Ranragini Durga here."
सर्वप्रथम राजमाताच्या सर्व त्यांची टीम आणि माझ्या सगळ्या टीमचं मी मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो आणि सगळ्या संघांचं अभिनंदन करतो. हे फार उत्कृष्ट कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला. मला असं वाटतं की मोठ्या या आज नवरात्राच्या आधी एवढ्या सगळ्या दुर्गा एकाच व्यासपीठावर बघायला मिळतात, हा सौभाग्य मला आहे.
While Navodita Ghadge, President of Rajmata Jijau Mahila Samiti, said, "Women in rural areas are still doing the work of preserving the heritage and legacy of Marathi culture. We are trying to give scope to their artistic qualities. Such activities are necessary to increase the self-empowerment of women." Apart from this, Raji Foundation conducts health camps for girls and women in Kagal. Women are helped by Raja Bank for business ventures. We are determined to make women self-reliant.
Raja Vikram Singh Ghadge Foundation and Jijau Mahila Samiti always works for women empowerment. And today we gave a platform for their cultural initiative. Today we have empowered women culturally because it is very important. These village games has to have some platform. And today Jijau Mahila Samiti has given them the platform to perform on these village games, and which is called Jimma Phugdi in our area, and it is really a very nice response we have got. We were actually surprised to get 63 entries in total, and it was really a great achievement for giving women a platform to perform their talent and encourage this village Jimma Phugdi program. I'm really glad to organize.
In this program, women presented their Marathi culture as Jimma Phugdi and traditional song, traditional games and Oya. More than 75 women associations from Kagal, Murgud, Gadinglas, Uttur areas had registered their participation in this. The program were started in the afternoon, continued till night due to the enthusiastic participation of women. BJP District President Samarjit Singh Ghadge, Rajmata Jijau Women Committee President Navodita Ghadge, Nandita Devi, Praveen Singh Ghadge, Shivani Devi Ghadge, Shreya Devi, Virendra Ghadge, former City President Manik Mari, Manjusha Patil, Neeta Rani Suryavanshi were prominently present. The program was welcomed by Vijaya Nimbalkar and vote of thanks was given by Namrata Kulkarni.